All right, let's make this one quick and dirty. Flex rated R. What is up? How you doing? Welcome in. Yeah, we'll check out some spell for you once we get there. Spell. Want to cover a bit of news real quick. Cover a little bit of TA. The list today is very short. I kind of want to make this one quick and dirty and get back to making my book. But anyways. Starting out, I was scrolling and this popped up, which I feel like he would do that. That's kind of funny. Actually, that's pretty funny. Alright. What's up, Aquata? How you doing today? Solana and memes are dumping hard because people are realizing that this whole game was rigged and it was all just wealth transfer, value extraction from crypto gamblers to project insiders. Normal people never had a chance because it was all rigged from the start. So yeah, that's kind of the theme of what I was seeing all day. And noted this is hilarious right here. I love it. Anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the likes of the day. So right here, Bodie, Burrowman, whatever. Can you do TA on Kovu? Again, brother, if you have time, it would be greatly appreciated. I got you covered. I got you covered on Kovu. Got you covered. No worries. All right, so this one right here was Bubble Maps analysts say that the Libra meme coin was launched by the same team behind the Meliana token. So, yeah, it's looking like those were some really solid ways to steal money from those trying to gamble a little bit. And they did a good job. They really did. So I know there were a lot of people who were like, oh, why aren't you touching these things? I was like, it seems too weird. I don't like them. I don't like the way they're set up. I just, Now this is coming out. I'm like, well, I'm glad I didn't touch them. Oh, well. Oh, well. So sad. But, yeah. So there's that. Got this video I posted inside of Discord, but here's another reason why the XRP army pisses me off. XRP will be $1,397 guaranteed by February 28th, says analyst. Are we for real? So BlackRock set to buy 9 trillion worth of XRP, likely to cause This is a video? There's no shot. There's no shot. This person's talking for 10 minutes. Oh, God. 9 trillion worth of XRP. Oh, I don't know if you guys know this, but BlackRock's worth $12 trillion. I mean, really? We're going to move along from that. Oh, boy. That just... Whew, that bothered me a lot. Anyways, so Texas Senate will hold a hearing on February 28th, so tomorrow, to discuss the strategic Bitcoin reserve. So this is actually a really good thing because there are 2 bills inside of Texas talking about the Bitcoin strategic reserve. One of them is talking about them buying $500 million worth of Bitcoin annually, and then the other one is talking about basically people's retirements could be going into Bitcoin. So that's pretty good. Sorry, bro. Long time no see, Daniel Thomas. No problem at all. How you doing today? Welcome in. Been depresso because of the markets. Hey, man. There's been a lot of fraud out there. It's tough. It's a tough world. But maybe starting tomorrow, things will get a little bit better because FTX will start paying back $16 billion worth of to their creditors. So what they owe people who got screwed over by FTX, but they're going to be paying it back in stable coins. So if these people want to stay in the game, they're going to have to buy some crypto. So this could actually be really good for especially altcoins, getting some of the retail investors a little bit of cash back. Let's knock Kovu up this list, my G. No worries. We will check out Kovu. We will be checking it out, don't you worry. But the list today, just so everybody knows, it is quite small. All I'm going to be looking at is Bitcoin, eGold, DCR, Dent, FET, and Flux. That is it. Then we'll get into all of your requests, and we'll go from there. All right, another one that's kind of weird to me is UBS. This is the the Bank of Switzerland, they are now putting in $1.6 billion into MicroStrategy. It seems like everyone is putting as much money as they can into MicroStrategy's hands and making him just continue to buy more Bitcoin. I don't understand what the end game is, but this many large players FOMOing into one asset, all it makes me feel like now is they're trying to create a bubble. That is all I'm feeling. They're trying to create a bubble, which I don't like getting this feeling because it's kind of like, hey, Michael Saylor, I hope you're taking out some money, keeping a nice nest egg, because it seems like Wall Street wants to bend you over. Just saying. It's giving it that look, you know? It just rubs me the wrong way. Don't get me wrong, we can see prices pump and everything. We're probably going to see a supply shock, but I think this next bear market might be horrible if this feeling comes to fruition. It could be really bad. Yeah, also, other news, Sui. Sui's in the news. I probably should have put their ticker on here, but I didn't. But Sui is actually creating what looks like a little PSP situation. It's going to be the first ever blockchain console. So this is actually going to be pretty cool. 7,000 pre-orders already. So this is actually really bullish for Sui. You're actually going to be able to own your in-game assets, which would be pretty nice. Pretty sure we're headed for fully tokenized economy, and they're hedging. I mean, maybe. They don't call them wolves for nothing. That's true. That is true. Hold on. Derek Chess? What happened to Eric Hest? What? I'm so confused, but alright. Alright, Derek. Oh, that's cool, actually. No, this is actually really cool. So, Sui has a leg up in my book. This is awesome. It's been in the works for a while to tokenize everything. I guess, yeah. Before you guys get all up in arms, I'm drinking a cream soda on a Monday, alright? Chill out. Chill out. And then the weirdest news of the day, we're going to finish off with this one. It's unknown individual burned 500 Ethereum worth $1.3 million. Zero to the zero address. So, leaving a cryptic message in Chinese about mind control. The same wallet previously burned 70 Ethereum with similar messages and has a history of donating to WikiLeaks, according to Etherscan. So this one's actually pretty weird. I'm in the WSB Netflix documentary with G. Derek, my rap name. Wait, what? Really? That's crazy. That's awesome. Alright, so, yeah, we got somebody who's just burning money left and right, and they're just throwing out cryptic messages in Chinese. I found that to be odd. I made a TikTok about it, and somebody made a very, very funny comment, but I was like, you know what, it tracks. They said, maybe it's Kanye West, and I was like, damn, maybe. You know what? Maybe. That seems like a Kanye West thing to do. It really does. Dope, right? All right, let's get into the TA. So Bitcoin right now, on your 15-minute, you're looking weird. It's looking weird. So it's like you're consolidating sideways, trying to go up, but it also looks like you might be coming down to that 93,000 because we've been just trending down, bleeding out this entire time. However, we do have the stock market opening up tomorrow after we heard the one of the Fed chair guys essentially say they're going to keep rates up for up to 2 years. So that kind of blows. But hey, is what it is, right? Is what it is. We do have bullish divergence on the 1 hour for Bitcoin, and we have our higher low. So we are thinking that we are going to get that move to the upside, but essentially we have been trading sideways and stuck in this zone for a long time, and it's getting really boring, to be honest. It's getting real boring. Anyways, looking at our liquidation heat map for Bitcoin, looks like there's long stacking up, which has me worried because the shorts are not putting anything in there. Noted, with everybody buying MicroStrategy and MicroStrategy basically saying, hey, I'm going to be buying some more. Well, I don't know if it's a good idea to try and short it either. But looking at the weekly, Hit the like button. Yeah, everybody hit the like button. Looking at your weekly, oh my, we have a ton of longs right below us. What in the world? Oh my goodness. There's like 200 million sitting right below us. That's not good. If we look at the shorts, the shorts are almost non-existent. They might try and grab some liquidity. All they have to do is send price down to 95,000 and they could take a lot of liquidity. Holy crap. That's a lot. That's kind of surprising. Don't be surprised if you see a sudden wick down, and that could be substantial. So there's that. There's that. Now we're going to get into the trade I'm currently in, which is E-Gold, which I'm starting to regret getting into because this thing is falling. So right now, what I was banking on was E-Gold would not suck. That's what I was banking on, that it was overextended to the downside. I understood that we, yes, had a nice bearish back test, and now, at the time I got in, we were trying to break out again. Now we're finding tons of resistance right there, so that's a big problem for me. Your daily looks like it's starting to put in some more negative momentum. Your 4-hour time frame, it wicked, it looked good, and now it looks terrible. So I think I'm about to get stopped out, which kind of sucks. But hey, it is what it is. We can't win them all. I was hoping for that nice little burst to the upside because random crypto were popping up like popcorn. And this one just simply is not. Looking at it on the 1 hour, you can see we're about to clear a low, which basically means I probably should not be in this trade. You want to check out Jupiter? I got you covered. Jupe is going to be on the list. All right, so I'm going to see if I get stopped out of this. Probably going to lose about 50%. Kind of is what it is. I will show you guys the trade right here. I think it's 50 or 56%. I don't know. This is why we have stop losses, people, so we can minimize the losses. Tis what it is. Yep, is what it is. But currently down 46% on this 20x long, and I'm getting shafted so bad. They couldn't even put some butter on it. Just like a little spit would have been nice. But anyways, here we are, just getting wrecked. I got in at 2260, and we are just getting wrecked in this trade, which sucks. But hey, it is what it is. I'm gonna wait until it stops me out, though. So then, if it does stop me out, I'm gonna expect it to go down a lot. I'm not even joking when I say a lot, because if you look at the daily on this thing, it is nuts. You did not want to lose this level, because there is nothing to save you from coming all the way down to $7.10. There's nothing. Like, this thing is toast. If you lose $20.73, see ya. You're out of here. But anyways, we'll see what happens. Moving on. Want to check out DCR. When I looked at DCR earlier today, it looked like the perfect, and I mean perfect opportunity to short. It looked so gorgeous, just on a nice formal back test. Still looks gorgeous. Checking out our 4-hour time frame. Oh man, that looks so good. So good. Nice rounded top. Fresh breakout. This is like dreams being made. So if I get stopped out of my trade, I'm going to jump right into this, looking for a 12% drop, coming back down to $11.92. It just seems so nice. So nice. Hey, Quada, good to see you in the chat. Yo, what's up? Meet Damien. How you doing today? Sorry I missed your stream earlier. I was with the babies, and I had to go into the gym. I was just busy. No other excuse. I was just busy. I'm sorry. Anyways, so yeah, this looks absolutely gorgeous for a nice move to the downside, just on a formal back test. So, yeah, if I do get stopped out, I'm jumping into this one. But moving on from DCR, we got Dent. So Dent also, I believe, looked like it was ready. Yeah, this thing looks so good. You even got the nice try for the second test. Oof. So right now for Dent, what I can see is as long as we stay below this 1007, 598 is in play. 598. We could see this thing drop another 36%. Beautiful. So yeah, this is what dreams are made of right here. When you see a nice formal back test at resistance, and then the second try, you couldn't quite get there, send it. Let's go. But your 4 hour right now sitting in neutral territory, looking like it's ready to drop. Your daily, you got out of the almost oversold range. Now you have some more room to fall and possibly try to set up some bullish divergence. I'm saying possibly. I don't know that it'll do it. But yeah, it looks like a death cross is on the way. All we need is a couple more days of sell pressure and then let it fall, baby. Anyways, as I said in the past, I don't care if the price is going up or down. We will long and short. We can always make profits out here. It's all good. All right. What's up, Jake of all trades? How you doing today? Welcome in. Welcome in. We got FET next. So FET, once again, very, very bad look. If we lose this level, your next level of support is sitting down here around 49 cents. So you can see the breakdown and the rounded top getting ready for a possible next leg down. Should we like the stream? What's up, Rich? How you doing? So yeah, this is actually quite nice to see if you're trading it, but if you're long-term holding FET, sorry, looks so bad. It looks so bad. But yeah, if you can't get above 78 cents, well, I'll see you at much lower prices, much better discounts on the way. And my first area I'm looking for is 50 cents. That is what I'm looking at. What's up, Mo Money? How you doing? How you doing? So yeah, that is FET. Last one I wanted to look at is Flux. Flux. So Flux out here looking like you have a beautiful breakout of the falling wedge. We're just looking for that formal back test. So with the formal back test, if we hold this level at 40.71, we could see a 108% move to the upside. No idea how long that'll take. But there is a possibility of a very strong move to the upside. We will see. Noted. Still completely in play for you to come down to 30 cents. So just keep your eyes on the prize here. Wait for that higher low. Wait for the higher low. Good to see you tonight, Porky. Yo, what's up, James? How you doing? Can I look at Mesh? Sure. We'll check out some Mesh. Mesh. Got you covered. All right, so that's all the ones I wanted to look at. So now we're going to start off with Kovu, the number one request out here for Daniel Thomas, as well as the one who requested it before him, Boydie, and Daniel. Got you covered. Kovu. So checking out Kovu. Let's see what we got here. Ouch. Yikes. You got oof. That is rough. That is tough right there. So the downside did play out. Looking at it on the daily here, there's nothing nice to talk about. You basically went sideways to reset your indicators. You got to pop up. You bearishly backtested the 50 simple. Now it looks like you're coming down. If you're lucky, you're going to backtest this 3569 level. And with that, you can now start setting up a trading plan if this actually bottomed out. So you would be looking at this sort of like getting up to the 16866 level if you hold support. I would be looking for a back test personally. But that would be a 374% move. Let me see if you got your 886 retracement though. Let's get rid of this because this is a higher low. So that's a positive. Low to high. You got deeper than your 886. So this was a very deep retracement, nearly 100% retracement. You guys did say it was fair launch, so this is a sign that there are more people now than at the beginning. So I would be expecting, if you get this formal back test, that 374% could play out. But right now, you just got a little overextended. Somebody got a little excited. Fat finger bought it. No big deal. You got overbought on the 4 hour as well, and you're resetting. So don't worry too much about the consolidation. Just try to stay above this 3569 level, and everything's going to be right with the world. Everything's going to be right. You have no bullish divergence to speak of. All you have is an impulse up. Now you need to start seeing that reaccumulation. If the reaccumulation doesn't start and it just skyrockets, well, hey, I guess this right now is your chance. But for traditional TA, you always want that back test and then the higher low. That is the ideal structure that you'd be looking for. All right, moving along from Kovu, we're going to be looking at Mesh. So Mesh, I think, is a crypto? No. Is it a CME? James, what is Mesh? What is Mesh? I don't know what it is. James, I need your help here. I don't know what this thing is. And until you get back to me, I'm going to check out Spell. Checking out Spell. Blake Smith, I thought today was members only day. Today's Monday. Nope. Tuesdays and Thursdays. Today is Monday, right? I feel like it's Monday. It's the CME? Oh, shit. That's what it was? Alright, that's my bad. We will get right back to it. I'm sorry, James. I just didn't know. Can I check out Nozana? Nozana. Sure. Nozana. Welcome back, Milk. How you doing today? Welcome back. Alright, checking out Spell real quick. On the daily, you can see we are fighting against both the 50 and 100 simple moving averages. It's starting to look like this upside is not going to happen right now. Looks like you're coming in for a nice back test at that 7336 level. It's not that I'm hyper bearish right now, it's just things don't look bullish, okay? Don't get mad at me, I'm just reading a chart. Somebody out there, well, you're just a bear. But no, the charts just don't look great. This one's not even oversold. Not even oversold. So bad. You could see an 18% drop to the downside. Hell, you're probably right. It might be Monday. Just ignore me. It is Monday, February 17th. So yeah, I was right. All right, checking out our 4-hour time frame for Spell. Nowhere close to being oversold. Neutral territory. We're just bearish. We are bearish. No, this is not a good look. Not a good look. I'm looking for that 18% downside, but you know what? We're going to play devil's advocate. In the off chance you get some positive movement, you could see yourself at 1205. Being a possible 34% move to the upside. It's just right now, after that Fed guy spoke and we're waiting for more Fed people to speak, I don't think it's going to be great. And then also we have FOMC minutes coming out later this week. I don't think the markets are going to be fantastic. Right now we're just hoping on Japan to start pushing these prices up because they did have amazing GDP numbers. They had really good GDP numbers. So the markets rallied off that last night. And yeah, today Wall Street, as soon as they got their hands on the market, they started selling. And they're just still bleeding out the market. Jerks. But 18% downside is what I'm seeing out of Spell. Let's see if it holds support. Let's see. Anyways, let's go back to that Mesh. And it's the CME one, so MES, not H. Whatever, we'll do that. So going into the weekly here, let's see what we got. Weekly is looking decent. You've reset. You're just in a perpetual uptrend. Micro E Mini S&P 500 Index Futures. Wow, that is a mouthful. That's a lot. Anyways, looks like you're about to break your all-time highs, just like the S&P 500. So that's great. Love it. Your weekly does not look bad. It looks like it's getting ready to break through. Checking out the daily. Checking out your daily, it's looking just fine. Holy crap. Looking just fine. Even showing a hint of bullish divergence? Hold on. You got a low here. Higher low. Higher low. Never mind. I take it back. I lied. That it's not there. It's nowhere to be found. This was your bullish divergence right here. Right here is your bullish divergence. You're starting to move up, so now we can get an idea of where this thing's about to head. So we are looking at this right here. So my target would be 6,385. That is where I'd be looking for some profits. So another 3.79% move to the upside for the S&P Micro E Mini. Whatever that is. So yeah. Anyways, moving right along, we have Jupiter. Oh, you guys are keeping this list nice and short for me. I appreciate you. I appreciate you a lot. Damn, Jupiter, why? That looks like that 20% downside's about to play out. Jesus. That's crazy. That right there is crazy. We called that a few days ago, didn't we? Damn, brother. I can't believe you faked us out like this. It's painful when you see that. It's just painful. So we're looking for 68.9 to play out. If 68.9 doesn't hold, you're looking at 53.72. That is tough. I thought Jupiter was starting to do buybacks or something. What happened to those? Did everybody just sell it off? Now I'm going to have to do a video on Jupiter. Jeez. No Zana. I don't... So, NOS. Alright, Milk, I got your... Oh, no. Oh, no. That's a bad daily. That's a really bad daily. Holy shit. That's so bad. Oh, Whiff USDT. I got you on Whiff, B-Rock. I got you. Whiff. Alright, Nozana, you're doing something extremely bad. Is MicroStrategy a coin or a stock? It is a stock. It is, I guess they're a tech firm, but they buy a ton of Bitcoin. They are, ton of Bitcoin. Dropped today. It did drop. This is a very, very bad candle. This is a bad candle. Some would argue it's the hammer. This is not the hammer you want, though. You would much prefer it to be a red candle, not a green candle. Because if it's green, that's a sign of a reversal to the downside. That is not great. They sold this thing all the way down. I mean, yes, it's a hammer, but I don't think that's a good hammer. That is a big wick. I would not be surprised in the least if we see NOS get down to 76608. I would not be surprised. And for that, we would be looking at another 43% downside. Shooting star reversal, that's what it is. Yeah. It's not good. Not good. I thought the shooting star had a wick at the bottom of it, though. I don't remember. There's so many different candlestick patterns. All I know is, like, this one bearish. This one bearish. Super bearish. You don't want it. It's so bad. But, yeah, then you're getting the bearish engulf, so you're getting the follow-through to the downside. This is not great. First target you're looking at is $1.16678. Second target you're looking at is that 76608. This not looking great. Not looking great at all. All right, we're going to move on from that. We're going to go to Whiff. And last request of the night, apparently. Wow, we're killing this. 30 minutes? I'm going to have to try and fill up some time here or something. I don't know. All right, so Whiff. Beautiful bullish engulfing candle on the breakout. Looks like we're coming back down. I do have an alert set here because I want every piece of this bad boy. I really do. And we're looking at a 49% move to the upside once we get that formal back test. So what we could see is a move all the way down, back down to the lows here at 55.4. We'll see if it holds. We'll see if it holds. MNQH. Sure, we'll check it out. MNQH. Got you covered. All right, so Whiff right now, if we can hold that level down here at 554, we could see a 54% move to the upside on a formal back test. So that would be great. Jasmine looks like a decent short coming in. We'll check out some Jasmine. We'll check it out. Going into our 4-hour time frame here, you have some room to fall. Oh boy. You got some room here. Now, one thing I do want to see, are we already at an 886? That might play a role in this. Nope, your 886 is sitting down here at 578. So let me move my alert down to the 886. Okay, so once that alert goes off, I'm going to want to pay attention to this. Soul, if you got the time. Meet Damien, I do got the time. We got the time. All right, so that is what I'm seeing out of WIF. We could see another, what is this? Anywhere between 7.7%, maybe even 11.5% move to the downside. If it keeps going, you're in price discovery to the downside. If we get that higher low on the 886, yeah, we're about to fly. It's going to be amazing. 51% upside if that happens. So we'll see how it goes. But that is WIF right now. We're just waiting for some confirmation of the lows. Going into MNQH. So MNQ is what it's called. Here we are at the weekly. Weekly looking fine. What is it? It's the NASDAQ. NASDAQ 100. Not bad. You got a breakout. You got your breakout. You're above resistance. You're out here killing it. Killing it, buddy. You're going to be looking for this thing to go up 25,282. That's so high. 13% upside is possible for this one. 13%. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. Looking at your daily, not even overbought. Wow, this looks beautiful. Actually beautiful. Started rounding at the bottom here. Now you're starting to get that break to the upside. This is looking good. Looking pretty good. I don't see any bearish divergence. Nothing. Sheesh. No bullish divergence either. That's fine. All right. Moving right along. We've got Jasmine and then Sol. Sol looking to touch 170. Yeah, most likely. I mean, maybe 163 if I'm being honest. Why, oh why? All right, Jasmine. You're sitting in no man's land. And since you are doing a formal back test of a demand line, it kind of could go anywhere. But while you're underneath that 200 simple moving average, I have to be bearish. I have to be. There's no reason for me to be bullish. It's just hanging out up here. That doesn't make much sense. What's meant by Adam AD? Wait, what? CDL2 for fun? CDL. Adam and Eve on charts. Oh, you're talking about a double bottom? So in Adam and Eve, essentially it looks like a sharp drop, sharp rise, come down, rounded bottom. And then it comes up. That is what an Adam and Eve double bottom looks like. Adam and Eve. Oddly, no one requested Trump unless I missed it. Nope, nobody requested it. No one requested it. Everybody saw the news. Nothing but scams out there. The same team scamming everybody. All right, so right now for Jasmine, I'm looking for a test down at that 1804 level. My bad, CLJ. Okay, CLJ. Gotcha. I want to meet by Adam and Eve on charts. Okay. I'm confused. By the way, B-Rock, are you trying to get me to go look at Trump coin? Is that the goal here? 15% to the downside is what I'm looking at for Jasmine. Unless the market decides to go up. But looking at our 4-hour... yeah, your 4-hour, it's getting cooked. It's getting cooked out here. Almost like my trade. My trade is just toast. Look at that. I'm getting stopped out. Man, we are so bearish. Oh, gosh. Anybody who thinks I started the day out bearish, I did not. This is a long. And my long is getting wrecked as I speak. We are just toast. Oh, what a shame. Anyways. Yeah, I can see this thing dropping 16%. So bad. I don't care for it, but it seems like tradition. Oh, yeah, no, I don't care for it either. That is a coin I refuse to buy. Strategy now? Yes, that is. It is called strategy now. Milk, thank you so much for the $2 super chat. I greatly appreciate you. Thank you so much. All right, moving on from this, we got CLJ. CLJ. What the? It's just CL. I think. CLG. Oh, crude oil. I guess we're going here. Crude oil. James, are you trading crude oil? Is that what you're doing now? This thing's brand new. What is this? It started on the 20. Oh, because it's 2025 crude oil. Yeah, that makes sense. You're just oversold. Why don't we just look at crude oil? Because then we actually have data. James, are you okay with us just looking at crude oil? I need that data, man. I need the data. If I don't got data, I don't know what to do, man. Oh my. Ugh. Gas prices. All I'm seeing are high gas prices. Ugh. This sucks. Can we have bearish something, please? Double top? Triple top? Triple top? Absolutely, my bad. Can we get a triple top? That would be so nice. Triple top, crash, go to 0. That would be great. Ugh, I hate this. Shows up different for you? Okay. Let's check our daily. Huh. So this thing's just bearish as hell, or bullish as hell. This is the most bullish chart I've ever seen. Great. Awesome. Freaking love it. Stupid. Ugh. You can see this. And you can see this. Hidden bullish divergence on crude oil. God damn it. Thanks a lot, James. I was living in ignorant bliss just watching my gas prices go up. I didn't want to see it firsthand. God. This sucks. Are we about to get over $100 a barrel again? There's no way, right? $84.99? Oh my god. And I'm pretty sure Newsom just introduced another gas tax. Ugh. This blows. Alright, 19% upside possible for crude oil. So mad right now. So mad. What happened to drill? Drill, baby, drill. Where is it at? Lower my gas prices. Damn. This sucks. And I got stopped out of the trade. It's all bad tonight. All bad. Just depression. That's all it is. Just depression. Oil prices going up. Crypto prices going down. Jeez. It's the Great Depression. Somebody said something's not true. What? Hold on. What? Okay. Wild and crazy. Anyways, moving on. We got Solana. Sol. Thought Trump bring in cheap prices. We all thought. We all thought. He's like, we're going to drill, baby, drill. Right. Me, Damien. There is no excuse. Capacity for oil in America at these low prices. Oh, there's no excess capacity for oil in America at these low prices? Yeah, that's true. I know. Prices need to go higher for them to drill, baby, drill. I know. I already saw that. They're not really invested. They're like, oh, if oil prices are down, we're not going to open up new infrastructure. We're not going to try and get new sites. I know, but I don't want the higher gas prices. It's some baby bag bullshit. Mexico is wanting to sue Google for the Gulf of America thing. What a pointless lawsuit. They could just call it something different in their own country. Who cares? Ugh. Maybe it's because the Biden administration made it to where you'll never be able to drill for oil in the Gulf of Mexico. Just maybe. It's not even been a month since he was sworn in. JB, you could say that, but prices are going up. That's what I'm pissed about. Goodness gracious. I voted for the guy. I voted for Drill Baby Drill. Where's it at? Just saying. You want hype? Got you covered. Got you covered. Yeah, there's that whole, like, we can talk about how long he's been in there all we want, but when he got in there the first time, it was really easy for him to start opening up regulations, to start getting the drilling started. It's just this time it's really hard, because oil prices are not that high. So I understand the logistics. I'm just saying I'm pissed about it. I'm allowed to bitch. That's why I voted. So I can bitch. It's as I tell anybody who doesn't vote, you're not allowed to bitch. So did I. Hey, man. Well, the majority of America voted for him. We voted for very specific things. Lower our prices. Prices go up, we're like, damn, man, damn. And there's usually a lag with oil prices, even if changes are made. There's a big time lag because, you know, the gas companies first want to see, oh, can we just leave these prices higher? Which, noted, that's a real thing. You'll never see 89-cent gas again. It will never happen. Mainly because of inflation, but also people are just too used to paying more. Porky, do you get mad at jokes? No, I don't. I take all jokes because I can understand a joke. It's fine. Anybody who gets mad at a joke has no sense of humor. I could care less. If it's a joke and it's funny, I'll be like, yeah, that's funny. If it's not funny, I'm like, try again. Alright, so right now we're looking at Solana. Solana, it looks like we are going for that 163 mark, but understand what 163 is. This is just daily support. It is not weekly support. Weekly support is sitting at 137 for Solana. It is a very strong possibility we see Solana fall all the way down to 137 as a formal backtest. They might be able to lower your nat gas prices for winter next year. I live in California. Nope. We have Newsom. He literally just introduced another bill to increase the gas tax because of we need to fix the roads. This will be the third iteration of him raising the gas tax here in California, which I'm just kind of like, the roads ain't getting fixed, man. Why are we raising it? What are you spending this money on? When he got into office, we had a surplus. How are we so far in debt now? It just makes me mad. Can I check D's? Check out D's. Oh, which nuts? Which nuts? The winter blend? Yeah, I know the winter blend normally comes out cheaper, but it's just, Our gas prices in California, they'll fluctuate like 10 cents. And that's it. Just 10 cents. It's like, oh, cool. Instead of $5 a gallon, it's $4.90. It's crazy. It's absolutely crazy. Yeah, Blake Smith. I think the worst part is D's could literally be a crypto. I think that's the worst part. I'm pretty sure somebody made a meme coin called D's Nuts. I'm pretty sure. All right. What was I supposed to check next? Hype. I was supposed to check hype. But yeah, right now for Solana, we are losing support. We're underneath the 200 daily. This is looking all sorts of bad. If you were to try and short this thing, I would not be surprised if it played out all the way down 21%. As long as you have a stop loss kind of above this, I would probably put it right around this level at 194. That's what I'd be looking at. I agree, there is. Right? My indicator is saying you should hang in there with your trade. $25 with 50x, no stop loss. What? My trade already got stopped out. I don't know what you're talking about. Already got stopped out. We going down, baby. We going down. I don't even look at the price. I go to Costco and fill up. It could be $20 a gallon, and I'd still buy it. Yeah, that's fair. You still got to drive. You gotta realize, I'm just in California getting more pissed off because I know that they're raising the taxes on the gas. So gas is my number one I get pissed about. I'm a lurk and play Ninja Gaiden. Alright, thanks for the lurk, Rich. Hopefully you're beating all those bosses. Let's go into the 4 hour for Solana. Solana on the 4, you're getting some fresh new dropping. Noted, you're in oversold territory. You would expect a bounce. So the fact that it's getting forced down right now, it's kind of rough. Kind of rough. Let's check out your 1 hour. 1 hour time frame. Ew. Ew. You're getting non-stop bullish divergence here. This shouldn't be falling further. It really shouldn't. JB, you're in California also. You understand. You get it. Bro, remember a few years back when that one area of California had, I think it was like $8.97 a gallon? It was crazy. 271 here in VA at Sam's Club. VA, Virginia? Really? 271 seems very reasonable. I'm sure you guys complain about it too, but that seems so reasonable. There's a gas station next to where I train, and right now it's at $4.96, and it's like the highest gas in the area. But God, it's so expensive, so expensive. All right, Solana's getting some bullish divergence right now. I'm thinking you could get a turnaround, maybe by morning, maybe midnight or something. But I'm not thinking you're gonna get a higher high. So I'm thinking if you do get a strong bounce, I'm looking for that 189 to play out. If it does get to that 189, I'm guessing you're going to roll over right after. Guessing it's going to roll over right after. So yeah, that's Solana. Just, ugh. I do like the bullish divergence on the 1 hour though. Let's see what the 15's doing. Ew. 15's looking like McDonald's. You see that? You see that? This is the McDonald's indicator. Go back to work. Jeez. Look at that. Oh, man. Literally got some golden arches on the chart. That's a shame. That's a sign. That's a sign. We need to get some applications. Hold on. Let me... It took me to ChatGPT. Wow. McDonald's careers. Okay. All right, here we go. Oh, keep it. Man, that's crazy. That's actually crazy. So, yeah, I'm seeing more downside. Surprisingly, even though we're like super oversold, but they're forcing these prices down right now. Not sure why they're doing it, but they're being successful. Bullish case, you'll see an 8.89% move to the upside. Bearish case, let's just focus on the 6% downside and not worry about anything else. But damn. My bags, M bags for the Bears. Good analysis on Solana. No problem, me, Damien. Oh, goodness gracious. Thank you. Yo, what's up, Nigel? How you doing? Why are they forcing it down? I don't know. I just don't know. Get this out of here. Alright. So, yeah, I would look for that 6% downside. But even if you do come up, you have resistance now at 185. It's not looking great. Looked at Jupe yet? We did look at a Jupiter. It looks terrible. Looks like you're going to keep seeing more downside. It looks absolutely terrible. We can loop back around because this is the last request so far of the night, and that is hype. Hyperliquid. I mean, it doesn't look bad. Does not look bad. Let's check it out on the daily, though. Just search DEX for D's. Literally above fat girlfriend. Oh, that's great. That is great. Love it. All right, nice move to the upside, but you put in a lower high. No, you double topped. Oh, no. Oh, no. Look at this double topping action. How beautiful it is. How beautiful it is. Jupe buybacks apparently happening sometime this week. That's what they said last week. So they haven't even started yet? No wonder. No wonder. All right, so right now it does look like a double top could be happening with the lower high. So I would be looking for a further downside. If you lose 23.27, we could be seeing 14.23 coming in hot. How absolutely terrible does file look? Also, gas here in Alaska is 3.29. How? Fucking how? How is gas in Alaska 3.29? It should be 10 cents. You guys are pumping it. How? What? Link, please. All right, Crispy, I got you. Unreal. FIL. But, yeah, so I need to move to Alaska. I mean, it's weird that Alaska's gas prices are higher than Virginia. That doesn't make sense in my head. It does not make sense. Why would gas cost more where they're getting the oil over one of the states that does not drill oil? How? I can't fathom this. That doesn't make sense. I don't get it. All right, I'm going to give you a bullish case scenario. Bullish case scenario, you get up to 32.21.9. This is your bullish case scenario that, personally speaking, I'm not expecting because everything looks so bad. It's because we pump up the crude and ship it south to be refined and ship it back in gas form. Oh, they don't have refineries up there? That's craziness. Why would they not have refineries? You guys even have a dark pyramid out there. No refineries? That's wild. That is wild. BTC got diarrhea today, right? It just started dying. They ship it to Virginia and then back to Alaska? Do they really? Okay, if that's true, I'm just eating my words and I'm showing how uninformed I am because I did not know that. I did not know that. That's hilarious. All right, so that's your bullish case, 27% upside. Your bearish case, it's like really bearish because you have to go from here to here, and you do have that formal bearish 5-0. So you'd be looking at anywhere between 1367 and 762. So the bearish side is like it's hyper bearish. It's really bad. Anywhere from 46 to even 69% downside. Giggity. But hopefully that's not the case. Let's hope the bearish side doesn't happen, but it is a possibility. It's a possibility. So just worry about that for hyper liquid. Anyways, moving along. We have Link. Link. Oh, man. It just cannot stay above that 1878, can it? Dang. Well, Link has been going so sideways. It makes me feel like it's going to go down, you know? My target at the moment would be for it to go down to 1658. It makes the most sense in my head because you've had since February 7th, you've had 10 days of not breaking to the upside. The buyers got to get exhausted sometime. They got to get exhausted sometime. So I'm looking for some downside on this one, and I'm gonna say the supply line. So let's look for that 10.8% downside. But yeah, since 1977, there has only been one decent refinery made in the U.S., and that was 2022? Really? Wow, I didn't know that. There's only one decent refinery. That's crazy. And it was made under the Biden administration. Wow. See, I'm learning something here. This is great. This is great. I'm learning. So yeah, this is what I'm seeing out of Link right now. I'm seeing some downside. 10 days, you couldn't break out? 10 whole days. Nothing? Even during bullish times? Nothing? Kind of a shame. Speaking of California being screwed up, guess how much we pay it to renew our car registrations every year? Bro, there have been some years I actually wanted to get into a car accident to then have the insurance money so I could pay for that registration, because it's crazy. It's actually crazy. Last year, we ended up paying $412 for registration on the vehicle. It went online in 2022. Oh, okay. Well, that's cool. But yeah, the registration fee, crazy, dude. Crazy. So expensive. And that's on a RAV4. Unbelievable. I really do need to look up the registration fees for the truck I'm gonna get. Yeah, on top of that, you might need a smog check. That's true. Luckily, smog checks, they're like $75. It's not that bad. But yeah, adding it on top, annoying. If your car is more than 7 years old in Alaska, you can get for $20 more lifetime registration. Unreal. Reasonable. $20? Reasonable. That, oh man, that sucks. All right, let's go ahead and look at FIL. Link right now, it's 10 days straight. I'm not going to give you a bullish thing at all. I think you're going to come down to supply line, maybe even a little bit further, testing this supply line down here. But it's not looking great. Not looking great in the markets, especially after, like, with more Fed speakers talking. Ugh, so bad. FIL doesn't look that bad. It looks like you're going to come down for like a double bottom situation. So as long as you hold above 294.5, you're doing pretty good for FIL. Pretty darn good. You're at like all-time lows. No big deal. Yeah, so FIL's not screwed. It's just, it's confirming its lows. No big deal. You were oversold. You caught a nice little bounce. 4 hour wants to reset a little bit. Maybe you come back down to 294.5. Maybe you stop short at 307. Let's check your 1 hour real quick. You're trying to put in some bullish divergence desperately hard. Trying really hard, which is a shame about all of this right here, because from here to here, hidden bullish divergence was formed on the 1 hour, and there was no follow through to the upside. So that's a shame. That's a real shame. This is a sign that, like, the news is just dragging us down here. That's too bad. That's really too bad. Oh, negative momentum's just getting started. Oh no. It's on an upward trajectory too. Yikes. So yeah, FIL, we might see it drop down like another 11.8%. But FIL doesn't like to really drop that harshly normally. It takes some time. So like right here, you see it does this weird slow bleed out until finally it's like, oh, the whole market's selling? Oh yeah. Then it just dumps hard. So it might take a while for you to get this 11% move. But it doesn't look that bad. 11%, not nearly as bad as Hyperliquid looks. Oh, man. Good night, everyone. Good night, Blake Smith. Hopefully you have a wonderful evening. Hopefully you're not stressing about the market. I hope you are ready for a fun-filled week of trading. Hopefully you're ready. But yeah. That's all the requests we got for the night. Wow, 1 hour? That's great. That's awesome. You guys let me off easy. Noted, the market kind of sucked today, but you guys let me off easy. I appreciate that. Anyways, everybody, I guess look out for a video. Hopefully tomorrow I can get one out. I'm going to be reviewing the Sonic Network tomorrow. And, yeah, it's going to be like a nice little update video. Other than that, I'm going to get on out of here. I'm going to look at a little bit of news. I'm going to be doing some stuff and some things. But if you have any other requests, just drop them into the Discord. Discord's completely free, so join that. Also, if you guys need a place to trade, you can jump into Buy DeFi or Weeks. Also, Buy DeFi, I think the person who got me into Buy DeFi is going to have me start doing copy trading, so there will be an option for that on Buy DeFi, apparently. I only put money in there which you're willing to lose because the markets have been so crazy that I'm batting like 50% right now. It's kind of rough. But anyways, I'm going to get on out of here. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful night. Sleep well and stay hydrated. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Take it easy. Deuces. Keep those stop losses tight. Download Ninja Gated. I already have Ninja Gated. But it's on my console, not on my computer. Trust. I'll think about it. Thanks for coming in, Rich. I appreciate you. All right, later, everybody. I'm out.